Look, I keep hearing that Lovable is capable to build a full stack app from one prompt. And let me be honest, that is not reality, and I don't really buy into it. Today, we will test Lovable. We will build a simple app for our pretend co-working business. Then we will ask Lovable to refine it and add some extra features like actual basic features any small business will need. And spoiler alert, we will break Lovable. The goal is to see its true limits and where it actually shines. Before you start roasting me in the comments because I have no love for Lovable, let me be clear. I actually like it, I love it. It's a great tool and it keeps improving every day. But it also has limitations, and today we are testing those. Let's get started. The first limitation is the free plan. Let me show you. They do have a free plan, but it's limited to 5 daily credits. That means that the amount of times that you can use the AI builder is limited to 5 a day. If you go over the limit, you will have to wait 1 day to get extra credits. Then you will be forced to upgrade to the Pro plan, which is 25 a month, where there is no limit for daily credits. Let me show you now its platform. When you first log in, you get into this screen. This box here is where you will type your prompt to create the app or website you want. If you scroll down, you will see the different projects that you have created with Lovable. And there is a community section where you can check projects from other Lovable users. You can see a mix of cool looking websites, internal tools like an invoice manager, or even tools for your clients like a stock market screener. All very impressive. But let's now test Lovable. Let's try to break it. I will ask Lovable to create a meeting room booking app with user logins and not allowing overlapping bookings. Let's see what we get back. Oh wow, Lovable has finished, and I have to admit it was quicker than what I anticipated. It has created a really nice looking website. It is a bit generic, but we could modify this easily. Let's check it. I will create an account and register. We are in the backend of the booking managing app. I have already added a booking for tomorrow at 10 a.m. So I want to test if Lovable has made the app clever enough to realize that there's double bookings. I'm going to select room B. I'm going to give it a title. Then let's pick the date. And let's say we want to start from 10:30 and we want it to end at 11:30. Let's see if the app realizes that we're trying to overbook the room. Oh, that's great. It actually realized, as you can see here, that we already have a booking at our time. Back in the editor, if we wanted to add more features or integrations or other things, we can ask Lovable in this chat box. We can also take a screenshot or attach documents. From here, we will enable or disable the chat mode. A really good way to edit your app or website is to come here and click on edit. Then select what is it you want to change. Select your favorite and click save. Lovable also gives you access to extra tools. For example, you can access the codes and check what is it is going on. From here, you can access the database and see what is it's been recorded. And from this menu, you can access a security dashboard. Let's break Lovable. I will now ask Lovable to add some extra features. For example, let's say I want to add a system that checks for booking conflicts every second. Something quite basic for a tool like this one. Lovable will quickly tell us that that's not possible due to performance reasons. Lovable is not a great server-side solution. Things like Python or PHP are not available. Lovable has a great pool of integrations and APIs you can use to extend capabilities. For example, it could sync the app with Google Calendar. But of course, you cannot expect to be able to connect with everything. As you can see here, if you wanted, for example, to integrate Square to process payments in person with a card reader, well, you are out of luck. And that was Lovable being put under pressure. And I have to admit, I actually think it did pretty well. I am truly impressed. By the way, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel and use the link below for Lovable if you want to support us. For more tools like these and tips on productivity, please subscribe to our newsletter. Have a good day and see you around.